Galileo. In the 100 years after Copernicus came Kepler and Galileo to develop the Copernican paradigm that we today call the scientific revolution. On this model, the Earth became an ordinary planet, and history books give the impression that the new model solved all the problems of astronomy. But to agree with the observations, Copernicus had to crucify Occam's razor and make planets follow, from Earth's perspective, a more complex system of epicycles than Ptolemy's model. As Professor Otto Neugebauer pointed out, the popular belief that Copernicus's heliocentric system constitutes a simplification of the Ptolemaic system is obviously wrong. The Copernican models themselves require about twice as many circles as the Ptolemaic models. ChatGPT states it does. From Earth's perspective, Ptolemy's geocentric model might seem simpler at first, but Copernicus's heliocentric model is mathematically more elegant and logical in the long run. End quote. When a machine has developed a preference for elegance over accuracy, we can safely conclude it has not escaped the bias of modern science. Not only was the Copernican model no simpler, its predictions were no more accurate either. Alfred North Whitehead, a British mathematician and philosopher, from his book Science and the Modern World, noted, "The Copernican construction could not predict or describe so accurately as the Ptolemaic system. Scientific observation was definitely more favorable to the old than to the new. But science is not all observation. Copernicus rejected Ptolemy on aesthetic grounds and not because of any failure to account for the observed facts. Yet, when he arrived at his own conclusions, he took the position that at last the real truth had been found." Approximately 100 years later, Copernicus's idea was taken up enthusiastically by a professor of mathematics at the University of Venice. Galileo Galilei taught as a proven fact that the universe revolves around the sun. Galileo built a telescope and believed it to be the solution to the heliocentric controversy. He made many observations, one of which contradicted the old paradigm, as he noticed moons were orbiting Jupiter. This, of course, did not prove that Earth is orbiting the sun, but it did prove the divine revelation to be incomplete. If God has revealed himself to the Church, he should have mentioned the moons of Jupiter.